jewel of the Horn of Africa, the central hub and five of thriving businesses, cultural diversity with delightful, kind and welcoming people. Djibouti is a magical land full of many wonders and the perfect place to explore and discover. From endless stretches of pristine coastline to the Grand Barra Desert and a home to a large number of salt lakes and beautiful mountains, it challenges your imagination with ever-changing landscapes. Sunshine, blue skies, warmth and ocean breeze met with beautiful smiles, all while you enjoy mind-blowing arts, traditional music and dance. Djibouti is a place where you can revive, rest, restore and refuel. The highly anticipated International Somali Awards is the only prestige award ceremony created to honor the greatest achievement of the global Somali community. Will take place in Djibouti from the 10th to the 15th of January 2022 to celebrate, appreciate and recognize the success of Somalis across the world. This is why Djibouti is the choice location of ISA 2021.
Marhaba ila Djibouti.
Welcome to Djibouti.